With the increasing popularity of veganism, many individuals are seeking alternative protein sources to replace animal products in their diets. Fortunately, there is a wide variety of plant-based protein sources available to meet the nutritional needs of vegans. These sources not only offer sufficient protein, but also provide essential nutrients, fiber, and healthy fats. Let's explore some of the top plant-based protein sources for vegans. One of the most popular plant-based protein sources for vegans is legumes. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, and beans are not only rich in protein, but also provide essential vitamins and minerals. For example, a serving of cooked lentils contains approximately 18 grams of protein, making it an excellent choice for vegans. Additionally, legumes are high in fiber, iron, and folate, which are crucial for maintaining a balanced diet. Another great protein source for vegans is tofu. Made from soybeans, tofu is a versatile ingredient that can be used in various recipes. It contains around 20 grams of protein per serving and is also a good source of calcium, iron, and manganese. Tofu is often used as a substitute for meat in vegan dishes, and its nutrient profile makes it an ideal choice for those looking to meet their protein needs. Seeds and nuts are also excellent plant-based protein sources for vegans. Chia seeds, flax seeds, hemp seeds, almonds, and walnuts are all packed with protein and healthy fats. These foods not only contribute to meeting protein requirements, but also provide omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health. In addition, seeds and nuts are rich in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making them a nutritious addition to vegan diets. Whole grains are another vital component of plant-based protein sources for vegans. Options like quinoa, brown rice, and oats not only provide protein, but also offer complex carbohydrates and fiber. For instance, cooked quinoa contains about 8 grams of protein per cup, making it a valuable addition to vegan meals. Moreover, whole grains provide essential nutrients such as B vitamins and magnesium, supporting overall health and well-being. Leafy greens may not be the first thing that comes to mind when thinking about protein sources, but they still play a role in meeting vegan protein needs. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and broccoli contain significant amounts of protein, along with other essential vitamins and minerals. While the protein content may not be as high as in legumes or grains, leafy greens offer a valuable and healthy addition to a balanced vegan diet. One often overlooked plant-based protein source is nutritional yeast. It is a deactivated yeast that is typically sold in powder or flake form. Nutritional yeast is not only a great flavor enhancer, but also provides around 14 grams of protein per ounce. Moreover, nutritional yeast is a complete protein, meaning it provides all the essential amino acids vegans need. In conclusion, plant-based protein sources offer a wide range of options for vegans looking to meet their nutritional needs. From legumes and tofu to seeds and nuts, whole grains, leafy greens, and nutritional yeast, there are numerous plant-based foods that provide sufficient protein to sustain a healthy and balanced vegan lifestyle. By incorporating these foods into their diets, vegans can confidently obtain the nutrients they need while contributing to a more sustainable and compassionate world. I hope this information on plant-based protein sources for vegans was helpful. If so, please hit the like button and subscribe. For more topics and tips on the vegan lifestyle, vegan recipes, vegan diets, vegan smoothies, and eating healthy as a vegan, don't forget to subscribe. So let's make today the day we change our eating habits for a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, you are what you eat. You